How to create Facebook monetizable page. Do you want to be a content creator? The first thing you need to know how to do is how to create a Facebook business page. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a page that is monetizable here on Facebook. I mean, a page that you can earn with. In this video, I'll be guiding you practical steps on how to create it, how to set your bio, and how to put your pictures properly. All you just need to do, you share this video and let it benefit. All right, let's go. All right, so whether you're using iPhone or Android phone, what you're going to do, you click on that three line you see at the top. Then it's going to bring you here. Come down to this place that says see more. Click on the see more. All right. So when you click on see more, this will allow you to be able to see pages. So click on that place that says pages. All right. So when you click on the pages, it's going to give you room at your top left to click on create. Okay. So click on create. Then come down to this place that says page name. All right, so think about the page name you want to use and then put it. For example, I'm using Maria's Diary. Okay, so I'll click on next. So now it's going to tell you to search for category. This is where many of you are having issues, right? So just type digital creator and then click on create. And when you click on create, it's going to successfully create. You can see it's rolling. You can see it has created. So it's going to bring you here, asking you for bio. Now you can just type anything in your bio. For example, I can go ahead and type welcome to my official page. Okay, you now you can choose to type something else. All right, so they will ask you to put your email, your website, your phone number, but just go ahead and put only your bio, okay, which is welcome to my official page. Then you click on next. All right, so when you click on next, it's going to bring you here. You click on next. That is your name now, meaning customize your page. You click on next. So it's going to tell you to invite people that are in your profile. So you click on that select all. So we are inviting people on our profile to come follow the new page we just created. So you go ahead and click on invite, then here to click on next. Okay, so now you can switch. You can see my page is ready. I'll just go ahead and click on done. Okay, so if I click on done now, automatically my page will be created. You can see Maria's Diary have been created. It means now you can now begin to post your video. But before you do that, we need to put our pictures. Okay, so you click on that camera icon, then you click on you pick your picture, then you click on save. Okay, then you come to the cover photo as well. You do the same thing. You choose another photo of your choice. You can choose the same thing, then you click on save. Now automatically you have just put your, now people don't now know who owns the page, right? So this place that say how healthy is your page, just go ahead and click on the X to close it. Now your page is ready for posting content. So this is how you create a Facebook monetizable accounts. All right, I understand you want to be a content creator. Before you can be a content creator, you need to own a page or have a page. So now this particular page now is called Facebook business page. This allows you to create content and then also get monetized. So please share this video and let others benefit. All right, thank you.